So here we're in Baltimore County. We just started renovating a kitchen. So let me show you what we're going to do. So all these kitchens come out, and here's going to be a dining area, like a dining table. And then the window on this side is going to become a sliding door. All right, and then the sliding door on this side is going to become a window. So our new kitchen now is going to start from here. We have a refrigerator, we're going to have like a dishwasher, the sink, lady Susan, and we're going to wrap up like L-shape to this wall, and then we're going to have like also like a small island at the center. So all the floors, they're going to be changed. The whole area here, we're going to change all the floors, and they're going to be vinyl premium show floors. Nice premium floors that, you know, they're waterproofing, you know, long time, you know, they can stay long time, will not have any issues and stuff like that. So and then on the other side of the house here, we're gonna paint the rooms. We're gonna replace the carpet. The carpet roll is like 10-15 years old right now, as you can see. All the rooms here, and then we're gonna paint, doing like a new carpet for our clients. So stay tuned. Probably by the end of the month, we're gonna have done this renovation as well, and we're gonna like to show you how this is gonna become. So if you like to do like any kitchen renovation, any bathroom, any home improvement, give us a call, 410-633-2308. And this is Vasilios from Trademark Construction.